Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Sunday Talk, episode number 167. In today's episode, just like every week, we're gonna go over five I want to process questions that I received from you guys. I have another powerful code for you, and also we're gonna go over NVC update of this week, what case document and emails they are working on this week, just for some of you guys who miss my Tuesday update. Before I start today's video, if you are new here, my name is John. My goal is to help newcomers, permanent resident, and also US citizens regarding the some of the immigration questions. Sometimes we talk about different topics that will help newcomers to have a better life here in this country. I want to wish you guys happy Sunday. I hope your day is going well. So, guys, without further ado, let's start with the powerful and positive quote that I have for you today. Today's quote is coming from Les Brown. Here is the quote. Too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. Again, too many of us are not living our dreams because we are living our fears. That's a powerful quote. Even that quote speaks to me directly. We have a dream. Just for example, maybe you move to United States of America, you live in New York, you want to move to another state, maybe you want to move to California. At the same time, you start thinking about, okay, what if I go over there, something happened to me? Okay, I don't know anybody there. What if I go over there, my life is harder than it is in New York? You start thinking about all those stuff, and then you live in fear because those thoughts are not a positive thought. Instead of thinking like, okay, well, if I move to California, my life is better than what it is in New York. Or if I move to California, I have a better job than the one I have in New York. But sometimes, most of the time, we don't even think about the positive outcome. We always think about the fears, the negative outcome, the bad side of what can happen. So again, it happens to a lot of us, even myself, and I think it's a powerful quote. But let me know in the description below, what do you think? So let's start with the questions that I have for you today. USA Mon. The first question of today's video is coming from RM. Here is the question. Hey, just curious, we submit all documents to NVC and have gotten a document to qualify date, but my wife had to renew her passport. Will she need to upload the new passport in the document section, or just take it with her to the interview with the old passport? Will uploading the new passport move the document to qualify date? Thanks for the question. So basically, this viewer or subscriber wanna know if his wife has to resubmit a new passport because the old passport is submitted to NVC expire, or she has to take the old passport and the new passport to the interview. So most of the time, when you submit a document to NVC and that document expires, NVC will notify you in case you have to resubmit it or upload that document, submit it to the Computer Electronic Application Center. If you don't get any notification from NVC regarding that and your document to qualify, well, it's better to take the new passport and the old one, like you said, to the interview. That way, if the interviewer asks the visa applicant, you can provide those documents. Okay, I think it's a good idea. But yeah, I know for sure, because I know it's gonna be better to take it to the interview because you guys a document to qualify. If you are not document to qualify, I'm sure NVC will ask you to, uh, you know, upload a new passport document, basically, resubmitted that document, okay, after it expires. But since you are document to qualify, yep, it's better just to take it to the interview. Not you, but your spouse, to take it to the interview. Okay, so let's move to the second question of today's video. This one is coming from Abbas Nasser. Here's the question. Hi, Mr. John. Is it possible for a spouse in US to cancel the green card procedure if you guys have an issues? Thanks for the question. That's a good question. Yes, if your spouse file I-130 petition for you, you're in the process, you didn't get your green card yet, well, that petitioner has a right or can withdraw the petition. Okay, yeah, that the petitioner can withdraw the petition. After he or she withdraw the petition, the I-130 process will be terminated. Okay, but if you already got a green card, there's nothing the petitioner can do, unfortunately. But to answer your question, yes, the petitioner can cancel the petition by withdrawing the case. Let's move to the third question of today's video. This one is coming from Kwasi Asant Agi. Here's the question. Hey John, if they ask for proof of US citizenship, which I believe is the certificate of naturalization, and also ask for proof of US domicile, what is the difference? Well, thanks for the question. That's a really good question. I know some of you guys probably receive that email from NVC asking you to submit a proof of status and also proof of domicile. So proof of status can be a green card, it can be US passport, it can be a certificate of naturalization, okay? But the proof of domicile can be a driver license. So if NVC asks you for proof of domicile, you can submit your driver license. Okay, I don't want you to get confused. Those two things are different. Okay, so let's move to the fourth question of today's video, and this one is coming from Esther Edusa. Here is the question. I have fiance case already at the Computer Electronic Application Center site, but has not got the appointment letter yet for more than 6 months. What should I do, please? Well, thanks for the question. That's a good question. One thing you have to know is that the fiance case, which is on I-129F, once it's approved, it will it expires after 4 months. Okay, but if the reason why you didn't start the process yet is something out of your control, well, the embassy can how to call it, can extend the validity of the petition. Okay, but in your case you say 6 months. I don't know why it took 6 months. Normally, once the case moves to NVC will send you a case number. Okay, it will send you a case number, and then your case will move to the embassy, and the embassy will contact you once they want the beneficiary to start a non-immigrant visa process, which is the K1 visa process. So you guys will receive an instruction, actually an email or a letter from the consulate to start the process, to start a medical examination process, and also the interview process, because you guys are the one who gonna schedule your interview. For fiance visa, which is a non-immigrant visa, yes, you guys gonna schedule your interview. But for I-130 process is different. You know, that I-130 process is an immigrant visa. The beneficiary will get immigrant visa, not a non-immigrant visa. Therefore, NVC will schedule the interview appointment for you. But fiance visa, no, you guys gonna schedule the interview. So 6 months, I don't know why. Like again, I don't know why it took 6 months. You can contact the consulate and see what's going on. But normally, it shouldn't take that long unless something's is going on. Okay, so some of you guys get confused a lot of time. You think the fiance visa is the same as the I-130 petition process. Actually, fiance visa process is the same as the I-130 petition process. It's different. Okay, it's different because some of you guys keep waiting for NVC to schedule an interview appointment for you instead of getting a notification from the embassy to start your to schedule your own interview appointment. So again, contact the U.S. consulate and see what's going on. Okay. All right, let's move to the last question of today's video. This one is coming from So Tasty. Here's the question. Hi sir, can you please share a link of Expedite the NVC interview? I couldn't find it online. My mother is suffering from violence, or her life is in danger. I need help. Please reply as soon as you can. Thank you. Well, I will put a link of the expedite request email on this video so you can see it. Normally it's on NVC expedite at state.gov. That's the email. That's where you're gonna send your expedite request. Okay. So again, I'm gonna put it on the screen so you guys can see. So basically, those are the 5 questions that I have for you today regarding the I-130 process. And like I said, we're gonna go over NVC update of this week, just for some of you guys who missed my Tuesday update. So this week, NVC announced on their website that they are working on cases they received from USCIS on August 22nd, meaning that some of you guys will receive your case number, invoice ID to start the immigrant visa process. And after that, you submit document and pay fees, and NVC will review those documents. And this week they announced on their website that they are reviewing document they received from you guys on July 6, 2022. Once they review all those documents, they will let you know whether or not a document is missing, whether or not you are document to qualify. Then in case you are document to qualify, you're just gonna wait for your interview appointment letter. And then the third update is regarding inquiries you guys sent to NVC asking different questions. They are responding to the one they received from you guys on July 12 on 2022. So make sure you check your inbox so you don't miss any email coming from NVC National Visa Center. So guys, basically that's what I have for you today. I hope you learned something from this video. And if you know somebody somewhere you think will benefit from the video, go ahead and share with that person. If you like the video, well, click on the like button. If you want to be notified every time I have a new video, you want to be the first person to see the video, well, click on the bell. That way the YouTube team will notify you first. If you want to subscribe to this channel because you like what I talk about here, you like my videos, go ahead and click on the subscribe button. Once again, my name is John. In case you want to support this channel, click on the super thanks below this video, any video on the channel. Whatever you do today, do it peacefully. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in another video. USA Monde.